Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Sites UI for stakeholder-friendly pages. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your Google Sites page in your web browser. Log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Select the Google Sites project you want to update. On the right-hand side, you'll find a menu with various options. To customize the interface, click on the Themes tab. Choose a theme that suits your stakeholder needs. You can select between provided themes or create a custom one. Adjust the color scheme to reflect your branding or preferences. In the Fonts section, select Readable and Professional font styles. Now, navigate to the Pages tab to structure your site efficiently. Consider organizing content into clear sections or categories. To add a new page, click the plus button at the bottom. Name the page intuitively for easy navigation. Drag and drop pages in the sidebar to arrange their order. With the Insert tab, you can add text, images, or embed links. Use headings and subheadings for a logical flow of information. Incorporate visuals where appropriate to enhance engagement. Ensure all elements are aligned for a polished look. To improve usability, add a navigation menu if necessary. Preview the site by clicking on the preview icon in the top right. Review the site for layout and user-friendliness. Make adjustments as needed based on your preview. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to save changes. Share the link with stakeholders for their feedback. Continue to iterate based on user responses for further refinement. Your Google Sites page is now more stakeholder-friendly and visually appealing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.